Do that tummy time. Work it out. You can do it. You can do tummy time. Oh boy. Uh-oh. You gonna roll over instead? Oh, not quite. Uh-oh, you're getting to the edge of the blanket. Uh-oh. Oh no. Your little head's gonna be on the blanket. Or off the blanket. Oh, you like the floor. I think the floor's kind of dirty. Good job, baby. Doing some moving. Yeah, that's the floor. Mommy's gonna stop this video so you don't go onto the floor. Let's get a little shot up front. Hey, you! You need some tummy time. How about that? How you feel about that? Yeah, tummy time.